Hello everyone. Let's solve this problem very quickly. We have x to the power of 6 equals 9 to the power of x. Okay, so this is very simple, but the first thing we are going to do is removing the power of 6 from the left. So I'll have x to the power of 6 to the power of 1 over 6. This is because I'm trying to remove the 6, and this is equal to 9 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 6. Because whatever you do on one side, you have to do it on the other side. And now this will cancel this, so that x is equal to 9 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 6. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is this. Remember that if you have a to the power of n, okay, then to the power of m, to the power of n rather, you can turn it around to get something like a. You can get something like a to the power of n, and then to the power of m. Okay, so it does not matter the one that comes first. This is because multiplication follows commutative law. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to bring x outside and take 1 over 6 inside. So x will be equal to 9 to the power of 1 over 6. 9 to the power of 1 over 6. Then I have the power of x out there. And then the next thing I'm going to do is trying to remove x, the power of x from here down to the left. And that way, I'll have to multiply every power here, the power here, by 1 over x. So I'll raise x here to the power of 1 over x, and that will be equal to 9 to the power of 1 over 6, right? And then I have x, then multiply this by 1 over x, because 1 over x is already on the left. This and this will cancel, so we have x to the power of 1 over x equal to 9 to the power of 1 over 6. But then, what do I do? Remember that 9 here is the same as 3 times 3, right? So x to the power of 1 over x is equal to 3 times 3, and this is to the power of 1 over 6. And then, what is 3 times 3? X to the power of 1 over 6 is equal to 3 times 3, which is 3 squared. And then this is to the power of 1 over 6. Take a step further, you have x to the power of 1 over x, and it will be equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 3. That means I'm having 3 to the power of 1 over 3. And from here, we can simply compare what we have, because we have the base and we have the powers. Now, if you compare the bases, okay, let me work with the bases. Okay, if we work with the bases, we have that x is equal to 3. Right? Now, let's work with the powers to make sure we are correct. If we work with the powers, then we have 1 over x equal to 1 over 3. And then from here, we can simply cross multiply, so that x times 1 is x, and then it will be equal to 3 times 1, which is 3. Okay, so in both cases, we have seen that x is equal to 3, and that is the value of x that will satisfy the equation. But then, how sure are we that we are correct? We are having x to the power of 6 equal to 9 to the power of x. Now, x is equal to 3. So I'm going to have 3 to the power of 6. And then on the other side, we have 9 to the power of 3 because x is equal to that. And then 3 to the power of 6 is 3 times 3 times 3 in 6 places, and that will give 729. And then on the other side, we will have 9 to the power of 3 to be 9 times 9 times 9, and that will still give us 7 to the 729. And now we have the same value on the left and on the right. This means that x is equal to 3, and we are very correct. Thank you for watching.